Hello everyone, it's me BB. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a video request that was requested by many of you guys, and I have a friend of mine who going to show you and I how to make it. So this is how she makes it. To get started, you're going to need about 2 pounds of black eyed peas, and black eyed peas come in many different colors, and you want to pick the white one. And she soaked it in water for about 1 hour. Then she mashing it, and the reason she mashing it is she want to remove the skin. It cannot have no skin from the black eyed peas. In this next step, she dropping them in water, and the soon as she drop them in the water, the skin is coming out so easily and so quickly. And so she did this part like rinsing them at least 15, 17 times. She did it so much I kind of lost count. And she wanted to make sure there is like skin free, no skin from the black eyed peas are left. So this is a lot of work and it requires patience. If you have that, you can make this recipe. So this is what the final result looks like. As you can see, it's completely unrecognizable. And this is what the skin that was all removed from the black eyed pea, and you don't need to use it, so you can discard it. So the next step is to grind it, and she didn't have a grinder at her house, so we had to go to the market next door and grind it over there. So this is what the grinder is, and inside the black bag, that's where the black eyed pea is gonna come out at. And he just dropped some green chili peppers, and they're not spicy, they're just here for flavors. And he dropping right now the black eyed peas, and also they added 1 whole onion and about 5 to 6 garlic cloves. This is what the black eyed peas looks like after they've been grinded. She just added a little bit of salt, and she kept on mixing it inside this wooden food processor. She kept on mixing it forever, like she took forever to mix it. And she said the reason why, because this recipe doesn't have no baking powder or no baking soda. So she has to do that, and meanwhile she has to add some little splashes of water in between. So when she fries it up, it's going to be nice and fluffy. If she doesn't do that, the black eyed peas fritters will be flat. She also mentioned the more oil you have, the better the akara gonna turn out in sizes. And this is about 1 liter of oil. And she started dropping them by scooping them with her fingers. And she did not mind overcrowding the pan. Right after she finished dropping the first batch, she went back in there and started keep on mixing it. I mean, she mixed it until there was no more butter. And these acaras did not take long at all. Like when it has like a nice color, she just flipped them around. And this nice lady who's showing us how to make this akara recipe, her name is Adama, and she do this for a living. She sell akaras, beignets, and fatayas, which are like empanadas, and that's what she do for a living. And she sell those at on the outside of her house. Most akaras that I know, they have always some kind of dipping sauce, and the base is always onion. And here you have about 1 kilo of onions, and she added the entire little jar of tomato paste in it. And before the onion went in there, there was a little bit of oil inside the pan. And this is some bell pepper and garlic that she mashing, and she going to add it also inside the pan. And she kept on adding few splashes of water just to make sure it's going to have a nice texture. She didn't want her sauce to be too thick because the tomato paste can do that. And she added some black pepper, and the last ingredient that went in was some jumbo seasoning. And this was it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and a special thank you to Adama for showing us this beautiful recipe. And I will see you back here next Sunday for another new video. Bye.